Hi! In this video we are going to see an example of how character sets work. We have seen that to represent text into binary code we need a way to translate the different characters that we will use in the text into binary. And to do this we will use what is called a character set, that is nothing more than a translation table between the character and its binary code. But there are a lot of different of these translation tables or translation standards, and we'll see how does this affect us. We're going to see this small CSV file, that's data interchange format, and we are going to open it with an advanced text editor called Notepad++. Here we can see that the text is separated by commas and that we are opening a text that has got Spanish characters, we've got accents, and they are well represented. And if we go here to format, we will see that it's UTF-8 character set. And the Notepad++ has detected it correctly. Let's say that it understands that it's another character set, for example, ANSI, that's the character set that is normally used in Windows. Look at the accents. They have changed into some kind of garbage characters because the accented vowels in UTF-8 are coded differently than in ANSI. So this detects the correct format, that we can choose it, and shows us the corrected answers. But what happens if it detects it wrong, and then we save the file? Then the file will be corrupted and it will be impossible to get the original correct characters. Most of the times this is not a big problem because the main letters and the numbers in capitals and in minor, they are both in a common they are coded commonly in the most used character sets. So we are going to have, as you can see here, we are going to have all the normal letters and the numbers well coded, but the accented letters. All right, with this, if we want to import this in a system that doesn't understand, for example, UTF-8, this tool lets us convert into ANSI, into the Windows operating system, and now you can see that if we see it in UTF-8, we are going to see the same characters with a different representation, because what is represented in ANSI is a different character in UTF-8. You can see here that now, if we see it codified in ANSI, it's going to be correct. How can this affect to us? Let's see, for example, let's say that we are here with this Excel spreadsheet and we want to import an CSV file that has some strange characters on it. We're going to import it with data from text, and we are going to select the file. And we are going to say that they are delimited because they are separated by commas. And here you can see that by default, the Windows Excel selects the Windows character set, and that as the CSV is using the UTF-8 character set, the characters are corrupted. If we import this, we go here and we select comma as the separating value, and we import this, we're going to see that the characters has been wrongly imported, and now they are corrupt and we are not going to be able to reconstruct this. What we should have to do here, I'm going to erase everything, is to select the correct character set to import it. So we will tell it that it's delimited, and that is, we have to go look how many character sets do we have here for Greek, for Hebrew, for IBM, Latin, Punjabi, Korean, Latin, Taiwan, Turkish, and here we have Unicode UTF-8, that is the character set we know that has been used in the file. So if we choose that one, look how the accented vowels now are correctly understood. We go to the next, we select comma as a separating character, then we finish, and we have the correct text imported. This is one of the ways that character sets you can find them, and if you don't know about this, you can find some problem that for you will be unsurmountable. Now you know how to act. If we didn't have this converting tool in Excel, we were using a tool that only accepted ANSI character set, we could be using the Notepad++ to convert it first, store it in ANSI, and then import it. And that's it.